Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Some water, juice, something else. With us today. No, who is making a noise?
Yes, be quiet, everyone. Sit nicely. You guys are in class. Hello, everyone. How are you all?
Show your thumbs up. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. Yes, Rehab?
Yes. If you are making noise, so I will mute you. And if you are not, so I will unmute you. So it's your choice. Fine?
And if you guys sit nicely, then we will start our rhyme session,
Miss,
right?
you can see Umar is sitting proper in manner in the class.
Yes,
He's
very
sitting on
nice.
a chair. Very good. I must clap for Umar. Be a good listener. Very good.
Very.
So we start the poem.
Yes.
Now,
Let's begin with five little monkeys. And I am watching you guys, okay? You have to jump like a monkey with me, okay? I'm singing and you guys have to jump. Shayan, okay? Okay, Shayan?
show your thumbs up.
Yes. Yes.
What's happening,
Very
Ali?
nice.
Why you are crying?
Okay, let's start. 5 little monkeys jumping on a bat. No one is jumping. Umar, jump.
Jump.
Jumping on a bat. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, what doctor said, Zainab? No more monkeys jumping on a bat. 4 little monkeys jumping on a bat. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, yes, Reham, what doctor said? No more monkeys jumping on a bat. 3 little monkeys jumping on a bat. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on a bat. 2 little monkeys jumping on a bat. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on a bat. 1 little monkey jumping on a bat. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on a bat. Very nice.
Now we have to sing the rhyme. Basically, that is not rhyme. This is the pray. And we have to learn this pray because we are singing on the assembly daily. Mere do hai haath. I must unmute them. Then they will also sing it. Okay? Everyone unmute yourself quickly, quick. and I want the voices. You can sing with me, okay? मेरे दो हैं हाथ, छोटे छोटे हाथ, मेरे दो हैं हाथ, छोटे छोटे हाथ, रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ, रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ। आओ ये दुआ करें, आओ ये दुआ करें, इनसे जो भी हम करें, इनसे जो भी हम करें, अच्छे, वेरी नाइस, अच्छे हो वो काम, अच्छे हो वो काम, अल्लाह के हो काम, अल्लाह के हो काम। मेरी दो है आंखें, मेरी दो है आंखें, छोटी छोटी आंखें, छोटी छोटी आंखें, रहती है जो मेरे साथ साथ, रहती है जो मेरे साथ साथ। आओ ये दुआ करें, आओ ये दुआ करें, इनसे जो भी हम देखें, इनसे जो भी हम देखें, अच्छी हो वो चीजें, अच्छी हो वो चीजें, अल्लाह की वो चीजें, अल्लाह की वो चीजें। मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही है, रेहाब की नहीं आ रही, रेहान की नहीं आ रही, ज़ैनब की नहीं आ रही, अब्रिश की भी नहीं आ रही, उमर आपकी भी नहीं आ रही, और अली गाजी की भी नहीं आ रही। मेरी एक ज़बान, मेरी एक ज़बान, छोटी सी ज़बान, छोटी सी ज़बान, रहती है जो मेरे साथ साथ, रहती है जो मेरे साथ साथ। आओ ये दुआ करें सब, आओ ये दुआ करें, इनसे जो भी हम कहें, आओ ये दुआ करें, इनसे जो भी हम कहें, अच्छी हो वो बात, अच्छी हो वो बात, अल्लाह की हो बात, अल्लाह की हो बात। मेरे दो है पाँव, छोटे छोटे पाँव, मेरे दो है पाँव, छोटे छोटे पाँव, रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ, रहते हैं जो मेरे साथ साथ। आओ ये दुआ करें, आओ ये दुआ करें, इनसे जब भी हम चले, इनसे जब भी हम चले, अच्छी हो वो राह, अच्छी हो वो राह, अल्लाह की हो राह, अल्लाह की हो राह। आमीन या रब्बुल आलमीन। Say it. Very nice. Good job. Whenever we pray, we have to say Ameen Ya Rabbul Alamin. Now it's time to go to the another experiment work which we done today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Everyone say yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
I will mute you all of them. Just me and Miss Turfa is talking. Okay, fine. So today we are making a fruit in a 3D with paper. I will show you first. Look at the picture. Today we are making, cutting, pasting, or making the fruit apple with the paper. For this activity, what you want or what you need, I will show you. You need a small square paper of red computer paper. You need two. You need two. Okay, a small square red computer paper. One, you need green square computer paper, and you need a small piece of white paper, and you need obvious the glue for pasting, and you need your best friend scissor for cutting. You need scissor, your best friend, for cutting. So first of all, we can take red paper, and you all are know how you make a kha. You know very well. So you can write kha. You can see I am writing with pencil a big kha.
They have look at the teacher.
Okay. When you write it, you keep two papers together. Fine. Two papers together and cut this kha. Before cutting, you can turn like this. Turn like this. Look, the kha is appear proper. You can see kha. We start cutting from the upside and cut the edges. I am cutting. You can hold the scissor like this. Thumb is up and two finger is down. My finger is a little bit big like you. आप लोगों से बड़ी है. So I am just putting my one finger on the scissor. But you have to put your two finger in. And cut this. After cutting, we can get this shape. Fine. Then we can draw the stem and leaf on the green paper, which you have square in shape. Make big one, then come draw it again one, and then there you can draw the leaf shape, and then join again and finish. And again you can cut it, this one also. I will cut it. Look. First you draw and then you can cut it. Then we will get the actual stem shape with the leaf. See, I cut it. When you done the cutting, after that you can take a white paper, fold it first, and make a small curve again on it. The lock side जो इस पेपर की लॉक साइड होगी वो इन होगी, अंदर की तरफ होगी, and then you can write small curve, and then you can cut it this one also. It's a basically it's a practice of cutting or pasting, and then you can do the get the a picture of a fruit, 3D fruit, and we can cut it a small baby shape. In this small baby shape, inside you can draw with the pencil the tiny seeds, two in one side and two in other side. After that, we can assemble all of them. For assembling, we need a small sheet of any color which you have. I have black one, so I take black. If you are having blue, if you are having green or something color, so you can take it, okay? for assembling. Now we can assemble. We will take this, and after taking this, we just paste it and get the fruit. I will show how we paste. For pasting, we need glue. For pasting, we need glue. Okay. You are having shape, so fold like this and paste the glue in one side. Paste the glue in one side. And after that, you can paste it in the right side of the paper. Then take the other one and paste the glue left side. And paste it this part to the left side of your assembling paper. You can see. From the base side, it will be pasted. Then we can paste the stem or leaf. Look. I must place the glue on it. And we can paste the stem or leaf upside or downside. Show your thumbs up. Leaf should be upside or downside. Show your thumbs up. Upside, very nice. The leaf should be upside. So we can paste upside, look. And finally, we prepare the seed part of apple. So we can paste the glue on it as well. And then we can paste glue in the center part of apple. Now we get the 3D apple. I prepare one for you before class. Look, I have two. So did you like this activity? Now I unmute yourself. First of all, you can tell to me. Yes. Speak up, everyone. Yes, Shayan. Yes, Zainab. Did you like it? Shayan?
Yes. You like it?
You like it? Show your thumbs up or speak up. Abrish, unmute yourself, bete. Yes, Rehab. Did you like to do this activity?
Yes.
It's simple or easy. You just make a curve, cut the shape and paste and get the apple. Fine. Now Miss Noori is here. Abrish, unmute yourself.
एक दिन झूले की क्लास होगी उसमें तो कुत्ते की तरह यहाँ पे ध्यान रखें थोड़ा सा दे दो जरा करके दो
Miss Noori, are you there?
अपने नाश्ते पे ध्यान दो बेटा अपने नाश्ते पे ध्यान दो
Okay.
आओ जल्दी आओ देखिए
I think she's
Assalamu alaikum to all.
Yes, now she's here. Walaikum assalam. How are you, miss?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, now everyone, can you please sit nicely and show me your smile so we can start reading? Where is your smile? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so first we are going to read the names of the characters. Okay, we are going to read the names of the character. I will show you the flashcard and you will tell me what are these names. Is it fine with you? If is it fine, then I would love, thank you so much for showing your thumbs up. Thank you so much. Okay. So here it is. Can you see it? Yes. Yes. Can you tell me which name is it? It is starting with B. B is for Biff. Yes, B is for Biff. Thank you so much. Okay, so what is the next word? Chip. 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 Very nice. Which word is it? Dad. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Which word is it? Dad. D is for Dad. Good job. Good job. Okay, so which word is it? Can you tell me? F is for floppy. F is for floppy. Very nice. Good job. Okay, so the next word is, oopsie. Yes, the next word is kipper. Very nice. K is for kipper. Yes, K is for kipper. Thank you so much. Okay. And which word is it? Can you tell me? Mom. Good job. Very nice. Mom. It is mom. Very good. Okay, so can you please repeat it one more time with me? Can you please? Okay. So which word is it? Biff. Chip. Dad. Floppy. Kipper. Mom. Very nice. So do you people got your storybooks today? Yes, we were reading this storybook. Can you tell me what is the name of this storybook? Can you tell me? Wow, Cheyenne got a storybook. Yes? Okay, it's okay if you don't have a book, it's totally fine. It's okay. Teacher is showing you on your screen. Very nice. Okay, so what is the name of the storybook? The Pancake. Yes, what is the name of the storybook? The Pancake. Very nice. Okay, so let's open the storybook. What is on the first page? Okay, before that, before reading, can you tell me, would you able to see this red dot? Can you see this red dot? Yes? Thank you so much. Now let's start reading, okay? The frying pan. Umar also got the book. Umar, can you please put your finger on the word Betu? Thank you. The frying pan. The frying pan. Yes, the frying pan. Very nice. Good job. Now, can you please turn your page? Turn your page, please. Thank you. Okay, so can you look what is written over here? The flower. The flower. And what is on the next page? The eggs. Look what is Kipper putting in the bowl? Eggs. Eggs. Yes, eggs. Very nice, very nice. Okay, can you please turn your page again? Wow, can you tell me what is Biff pouring in the bowl? Milk. Look, it is also written over here. The milk. Yes, yes, the milk. Umar, please change your, turn the page. The milk. Very nice. Okay, and now look, what is that putting? No, that is not putting. Kipper is putting something in pan. Butter. What is Kipper putting in the pan? Butter. Butter. Yes. The milk. The milk. The butter. The milk. The butter. The milk. The butter. Very nice. Okay, so can you please read with me? Can you please look at the screen? Yes. Now please close your books and look at the screen, okay? Close your books. Yes. Thank you so much. And look at the screen. What is written over here? Butter. 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 Very nice. Okay. Eggs. 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 Flour. Flour. Now repeat it again. Butter. 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 And then eggs. 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 And then flour. Flour. Very nice. Thank you so much for reading with me. Thank you so much to all of you. And we will go to your teacher. Before that, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, Miss Nuri. Now, Miss Turfa is also with us and she has something. Yes, Miss Turfa.
Okay.
What you
Yes,
have today?
I have something very exciting. Okay, you
Oh my
have to
God.
see the sit nicely, properly, and you have to see me as well. Okay, we learn about the words now. We learn about the thank you, please, and sorry words. Yes, remember? Remember or not? Yes. When someone give us something, we should say them thank you. Thank you. Yes. And when we hurt someone, we should say them sorry. And when we want someone's help, we should say them please. Now today we are going to learn a new word which is welcome. Welcome. Knock knock. Oh, someone is knocking the door. Do you listen? Someone is knocking the door. Yes.
Here. Who is there at the door?
Do you listen? Knock knock. Knock knock. Here, okay? Someone is knocking the door. I have to see, okay? And you guys have to welcome the member, okay? The one is joining our class. So, who is there? A teddy bear. Everyone, hello, Teddy. Teddy is saying hello as well. Look. Hello, hello. Hello, Teddy. Welcome to our class. Knock, knock. Oh, someone is again knocking the door. Who is knocking the door, Teddy? Let's see who is knocking the door again, okay? And we have to welcome them as well, okay? Teddy is going to looking for you who is knocking the door. Okay, Teddy, look. Oh, look. Who joined our class? It's the parrot. Yes. Say hello to the parrot. Hello, welcome to our class. Yes. Say hello. Hello, parrot. Welcome to our class. Yes. Do you guys have a teddy or a parrot or something? Bring your teddies now, and we will welcome them in our class. Okay. Okay. Yes. Parrot also want to see your teddy. Bring it. Wow. Wow. Look what. Look, Shayan bought a teddy, a panda. Yes. Hello, panda. Welcome to our class. Say hello. Yes. Reha, where is your teddy? Reha, bring your teddy. And Abrish, wow, Miss Iram bought a doll. Hello, Dolly. Welcome to our class. Oh, Abrish, what you bought? A teddy bear? Show me. Oh, it's a rabbit. Hello, rabbit. Welcome to our class. Okay. Zainab, where is yours? Oh, what Umar bought? It's an teddy. Oh, it's a dog. We have dog in our class. Welcome the dog. Hello, dog. Welcome to our class. Wow, we have teddies here. Hello, teddy. Welcome.
Umar is having a dog.
Yes, Umar is having a dog. Ooh, and it's so big. Look.
And Rehab is also having something. Show the picture,
Yes,
Bete.
it's a bear or some character.
It's look like a monkey, I think, but picture is not clear.
Okay. So remember, when someone comes in our house or someone join us, we should
Shayan
say
also
that,
have the dog.
welcome. Oh my God, Shayan, you are changing your friend, huh? One by one. There is
Yes.
a panda and there is a doggy as well. Very nice.
Good job. So may I unmute them? They will say the
Yes.
word which they learned today.
Yes.
Now unmute
Wow.
yourself quickly. Everyone.
What we learned.
Then
Yes. Yes. And we will say the welcome.
Welcome. You say welcome.
Miss Tulpa is having the pretty parrot.
And it's going to
So we all together say, welcome to our class. Say it.
Hey, welcome to our Guru, welcome.
Welcome to our class.
there are so many members in our class today.
Yes. Umar, where is your doggy? Where it goes? अब क्या आ गया उमर के हैंड में? Another doggy. Ali Ghazi, you are not having any toy. Show your toy. Now Rehab has something new. Rabbit. It's a rabbit. Hello, rabbit. Welcome to our class. So today we are learning the new word that is welcome. That is
Welcome.
say it. Umar, you also say it.
Say welcome. Welcome. Welcome.
Yes, Ali Ghazi also bring something. Bring it, miss.
It's a dog.
Yes.
Teacher, we have caterpillar too.
Oh, wow. Shayan has a caterpillar too. Show your caterpillar.
Can caterpillar got each other cute hai?
Wow, it's mashallah. Colors of caterpillar, yellow, pink, orange.
caterpillar color बताइए. Yellow, orange,
Orange, yellow, green, yellow, pink, green, blue,
and the ear, hands, red.
Red. All the primary and secondary colors are there. Huh?
Yes.
Very
It's okay. Brown, white.
Yes, it's time to create an A session. Any query, any question regarding today's session?
बस
So
सब
you
कुछ
can ask
भी
because we have only 3 minutes to finish our class. Everyone try to make this paper fruit, 3D fruit, and share the video or picture to me. And you can do your written word. That is ya. That is ya sound.
Yeah.
Ya is for speak up, everyone. Ya is for yak. Very good. Ya is for yak. Ya is for yo-yo. Ya is for time to say bye-bye. Before going, wash your hand timely with the soap. Cover your nose and mouth with the mask. And sanitize your hand when you are going somewhere. And try to stay at home and be safe. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. See you day after tomorrow. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Abrish, you are not saying Allah Hafiz to me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, parrot. Bye-bye, parrot. Bye-bye, rabbit. Bye-bye, teddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, doggy. Everyone is saying bye-bye to us. Bye-bye, monkey. Because they all are in our class. Now, bye-bye, rabbit. Bye-bye. They all are in our class, so we must say bye-bye to them. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye, Teddy. Teddy of a bridge. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. I am very much happy when I hear the voice of Muhammad Ali Ghazi. Okay.
Allah